Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video I want to show here you that we're currently trying to break out of this descending wedge. Now if I would need to make a guess, I would say this is not going to take place because Bitcoin is going to drop again. That's what happened the last few times when we tried to break out of any of these patterns. Whenever that happened, Bitcoin dropped. Same with XRP. I've just uploaded a video that telling you guys that XRP is trying a breakout just at the same level where XRP has not managed to break out now for weeks really. Bitcoin always dropped after the breakout happened. So, you know, honestly, I'm not putting too much hope into this, but it's still worth pointing out that Cardano is again above $2 and is currently moving out of this descending wedge. Descending wedge, as you know, is generally a bullish pattern. In my earlier video today, I talked about this triangle, which is forming here, breakout formation, that today we would see some sort of a decision. At the moment, Bitcoin is going up slightly, so it's above 62K again. So it's pulling the whole market up again, which is positive. So yeah, Cardano is currently not looking too bad. And I've been saying now for a while that for me, it's shifting now. We are starting finally to see the end of this consolidation. You can also see just generally how the momentum of this downtrend shifted. I mean, generally, we were mainly overbought or massively overbought anyway up there. And just see how that downtrend shifted. Very steep, less steep, far less steep, right? And next one could be here. But I did say it's not, we're not out of the woods yet. We could still drop once more into that target range that I gave you earlier, between 145 and 181. That is still a very, very likely possibility for Cardano. A drop once more below the 200-day moving average, because we haven't really found direct support at the 200-day moving average. It was like that before in the year in July, where we touched the 200-day moving average here, and here we actually broke through it. And when that happened, that was basically the turnaround moment. Now I haven't seen that major turnaround moment yet, even though you could actually, if you look at that here, just look at this, how that looked like, yeah, where we broke down quite steep. And then we had this, first of all, moderate move up, yeah. First of all, this moderate move up, and look at how this is looking like. A steep move down, and then first of all, a moderate move up. So that could really be that what we've been looking for. So I'm getting increasingly positive about Cardano, and you know that I haven't been hyping the Cardano price throughout the last few weeks and months really, because I've been saying so long that we come down once more to 180, and we've hit that level pretty much exactly. And now as we've hit that level, I'm saying we could come down once more. You know, it was only the upper side of my target level, but we can definitely start to see a turnaround here. And people who don't see it, I don't know, but you can clearly see it. And yeah, we've had a descending wedge back here in July. We have another one now, and we're currently trying to break out here. But as I said, if I would make a guess, it's not going to work. It would be too good to be true. So again, we haven't managed to get above the 20-day moving average. I want to get above the 20-day moving average, which is currently at $2.05. And above that at around $2.13 now is a 50-day moving average. So need to get above both of them, and then I think we can see a bit of a more significant move up finally. That could then potentially take us to, yeah, maybe 228, 230, right? 232 is a critical level where we found resistance before, and as soon as we get above that, then we've got around 250 here to deal with. 250 and then 265, and then we speak about levels that honestly I can't even imagine today, because it's been a while really. It's been a while, but it looks like Cardano is finally starting to wake up really. So however, this could also, and just to give you also a balanced view here, this could also be a bear flag, right? So because you had a move down here, and this is basically then a bearish consolidation before we drop once more. But I'm not worried at all. This is now getting quite excited now, because I think we've really come, we're really very close now. All the way up here, I've been saying all the way, we come down once more, and we've done that now. So this could finally be the turnaround moment. So, and also what I told you is, again, that 50 level on the RSI on the daily. Now we haven't come through, but we're getting closer. I want to see that breaking. I think that could be a real breakout moment. And here on the MACD, we have finally on the daily, see again the green histogram emerging, right? what we need to see is this growing. Yeah, so we had it done, we had it already here, but it wasn't really convincing. So we want to see something like here in July where we pick up steam on the MACD. This will happen when we break the 50 line on the RSI. So really just giving you the heads up that Cardano is waking up a little bit and that we're really now in the apex. So whatever you want to do, it might be worth checking out here, that checking it out, the chart, and it looks currently like we are breaking out and doing a retest here at the moment, which would be positive if we can manage to have that retest retested successfully. That line is currently running at around $2.02, and if you're wondering why we're cutting through here, well, that's because I made that, or I drew that that descending wedge on a different time frame. So what is a wick on a different time frame is basically a body on this time frame here. So yeah, in my view, not looking too bad, but not too convincing yet here, this move up, but it's going in the right direction now, and we're getting into this apex and potentially have that breakout moment now. Yeah, that's pretty much the update for Cardano. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. By the way, there will be a live stream in just 1 hour for all channel members at 17:00 UTC. That's pretty much 50 minutes from now when I record this video, and this for every channel member once a week. In this video, in this live stream, I will cover a potential super cycle, and also I'm going to go through my crypto holdings in percent, not in absolute values. And yeah, obviously we're going to go through some TAs as well. So if you're interested in that, maybe you want to check out the channel membership. Hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye bye.